Hey guys, I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on the subscription box service. So it's early April and you might be wondering, hey Beth, where's the next box? Not to worry, it is on its way. So last month I was at the International Housewares Show and saw so many amazing products. It was a little bit overwhelming, to be perfectly honest. So I wanted to make sure that I had the time to sift through all of these products so that we could put together the best box possible for you guys. So you can look for the next box to ship somewhere around May 23rd. And on the same day that the box ships, I'll also be posting my unboxing video so you can see what goodies are headed to you. And then I also have some good news to share. We were able to extend the service to 150 more people. So if you were bummed out when the box sold out last month, today is your lucky day. You can sign up. For the next 10 days, we'll be accepting new members or until we sell out. So the link is in the description, and if you want to sign up in order to get the May box, now's your chance. You'll have 10 days from today, so on April 14th, we'll close subscriptions. So if you don't want to be left out next time, today's the day. Now, if you're just joining me and wondering what is all the subscription box business, you can click the annotation and get caught up. There you will find a playlist of all of my past unboxing videos, as well as the related recipes and more information about how the box works. And lastly, if you need any help or support with your box subscription, or if your address has changed, or you want to put a new credit card down, whatever the case may be, you can now email my support team at ewb@myvlogbox.com. So a lot of you were hitting me up on social media or through my website, and it was hard to kind of keep track of everybody. So now we have one central location that you can contact and get the help you need. All right, you guys, I'm excited to share next month's box. It's going to be another great one. So if you want to sign up and join the club, be sure to hit the description below, and there you will find all of the information. All right, I will see you on Saturday for another quick and easy recipe. Until then, bye.